Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you what to do when you have road rage. Now, road rage is a real thing. It's actually a really bad thing, but people generally encounter it. I've encountered it before. I'm sure you've encountered it before, and you've probably seen thousands of people encountering it on roads as well, whether you're in the car with them or whether you just see them through the window. Now, with that being said, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, a few simple steps that will help you significantly deal with your road rage in a positive way. And if you know someone that has road rage, be sure to share this video with them so you can help them as well. The first thing that you want to do is count to 3. Now, I know that this sounds cliche, but it actually works. A lot of the times, if you'll notice, when you're angry at someone in real life, and not in a driving situation, in a regular life situation, in time, you tend to forgive them and relax. So in the car, it's going to be the exact same thing. When you have road rage, it's because you're angry at something or someone. By stopping and counting to 3, you're going to give yourself some time that you need. If that doesn't work, count to 3 again. If it doesn't calm down, count to 3 again. I've done this where I've counted up to 30, and then finally it starts to subside. So with that being said, stop and count to 3. The second thing is take deep breaths. Now, the number of deep breaths that you have to take, once again, will all depend on you, your body, and what it takes for you to calm down. Some people can get away with just taking 1 or 2 deep breaths, and they're okay. It's that simple. Other people need to take 5, 10 deep breaths, and that's what it takes. So take the number of deep breaths that you can take with regards to your body and what it takes for you to calm down. The third thing that you should do when you have road rage is forgive the person. Most likely you have road rage because someone on the road or someone outside of the road wronged you or got you angry. Whether someone cut you off, whether someone almost got into an accident with you, whether someone, did something else that got you angry, but you're probably angry at someone. Now, when you're angry at someone, you actually do more damage to yourself than you do to them. I know that you feel great probably being angry with them, but the stress that you're causing your body will negatively affect your body and your life in a huge, massive way that people tend to underestimate. So instead, just forgive them. Think about the damage that you're doing to yourself by being stressed out and angry, and just forgive them. It's as simple as that. The next thing that you should do is pull over. And that's because you got to sort of get your body, you got to reset your body and reset your driving situation. If you keep driving, it's going to be hard for you to reset safely. So what you want to do is pull over, and if you're on a main road, don't just pull over on the side of the road. Maybe pull into a parking lot or pull onto a side street, but pull over in a safe way where you're not going to obstruct any traffic for the most part. And just once again, count to like 3 or 5, take some deep breaths, focus on forgiveness, and just do all of the things that I've told you to do up until now. Once again, reset your body and just say to yourself, you're going to prepare yourself to drive safely and drive without being rageful on the road, okay? You don't want to be rageful when you're driving. And the last thing that you have to do, and this is probably the most important thing, is analyze any part of your fault. Believe it or not, we play a role in the fault of pretty much everything that happens to us. Even if it's only 0.001% our fault, it's important to note those faults. Not to make yourself feel bad, but to know that you have some onus on that road rage. If you have road rage because someone cut you off, then, you might be thinking like it's their fault that I'm so angry, when in reality, if you were driving like extremely slow, or extremely fast, or whatever the case is, if you did something wrong, I know it's still their fault for cutting you off. But you did play a small role in the whole situation of getting cut off. So with that being said, you gotta own up to it. Just realize and analyze what part of that whole situation is your own fault. And when you analyze that and you realize that, you're more likely to just get over that road rage, because then you can blame some of it on yourself, and you might be, you might feel bad about it for like a couple moments, but that rage will go away and you'll be focusing on how to improve for the next time that you're in that same situation. And that's it. That is what to do when you have a road rage. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.